Welcome to this guide on replacing your GMC Savana key fob battery. The GMC Savana key fob allows remote locking and unlocking of doors, opening the rear hatch, and activating the panic alarm. The battery typically lasts 2 to 3 years depending on usage. Replacing it yourself saves time and money compared to dealership service. This video guides you through the DIY process for 2008 to 2024 models. The standard replacement battery for GMC Savana key fobs is a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell. This is the most common type used across the model years. Here are the technical specifications of the CR2032 battery, showing its dimensions and key features. While most models use CR2032, some pre-2010 GMC Savana models might require a CR2025 battery instead. The CR2032 is slightly thicker at 3.2 mm compared to the CR2025's 2.5 mm height. When installing the battery, make sure the positive side faces up. The battery shows this orientation in its markings, with the positive terminal clearly indicated. The CR2032 contains a lithium anode, manganese dioxide cathode, and a separator to prevent short circuits, all encased in a stainless steel container. For best reliability, choose high-quality brands like Panasonic. These batteries provide consistent voltage and longer shelf life. Important: avoid using rechargeable batteries in your key fob. They can cause malfunctions due to inconsistent voltage output and are not designed for this application. You'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or a keyring tool to gently pry open the key fob casing. No soldering is required. A soft cloth can protect the fob's surface from scratches during prying. Having a replacement rubber seal on hand, if your fob has one, is a good idea to maintain water resistance. First, locate the seam on the fob casing. This is where the two halves meet. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam and pry it open. Be careful not to damage the casing. Remove the old battery, noting the correct orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the casing back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. With the battery replaced, your key fob should now work properly. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery polarity to ensure it's inserted correctly. If the polarity is correct, cycle the vehicle's ignition by turning the key to the on position, then back to off. Next, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions, or use the GMC app for 2023-2024 models. If issues persist, dealer reprogramming may be necessary, costing between $50 and $100. When replacing your GMC Savana key fob battery, avoiding common mistakes can prevent costly damage and ensure your fob works properly for years to come. The first common mistake is forcing the casing open. Use a gentle pry tool to avoid cracking the plastic, which can expose internal components to moisture and cause permanent damage. Second, always check battery polarity. The positive side must face up. Reversing it can short-circuit the fob's electronics, requiring a full replacement. Third, avoid generic or low-quality batteries. Use genuine CR2032 lithium batteries to ensure consistent voltage and prevent early failures or circuit damage. Fourth, don't over-tighten when reassembling. A gentle snap is enough. Excessive force can crack the casing or misalign internal components. Finally, handle the battery carefully to avoid static discharge. Touch a grounded surface first or use an anti-static wrist strap, as static can fry the fob's sensitive circuits. To extend battery life, avoid exposing the fob to extreme temperatures like direct sunlight or freezing conditions. Keep the fob away from water and moisture to prevent damage. Consider a protective case for added durability, especially in harsh environments like construction sites. Regularly clean the fob to prevent dirt buildup. Proper disposal of old key fob batteries is crucial for environmental protection. Recycling prevents harmful chemicals like lithium and heavy metals from contaminating soil and water. GMC actively supports recycling through their authorized dealers, following updated EPA guidelines for e-waste reduction. Each recycled CR2032 battery helps prevent about half a kilogram of electronic waste. Worldwide, 15 billion batteries are purchased annually, creating 180,000 tons of potential waste. Recycling batteries conserves resources, reduces landfill waste, and even produces energy from recovered materials. Rechargeable batteries are less harmful overall as they reduce the total number manufactured. The battery recycling process forms a circular economy. Raw materials lead to battery manufacturing, then end-of-life products are recycled back to raw materials. Design for recycling is key in modern battery development, making it easier to recover valuable components. For disposal guidelines, most batteries like lithium, nickel-cadmium, and sealed lead acid should be recycled in collection containers. Alkaline batteries in standard sizes can typically be disposed in regular trash as they are not considered hazardous. Always check your local regulations, as recycling programs vary by location. By choosing to recycle your old key fob batteries responsibly, you're contributing to a cleaner environment and supporting sustainable practices. GMC's commitment to recycling helps ensure these important guidelines are followed nationwide.